yes segment we no to party ahwehwe ni watotwene na yenwene Ghana ho san se ahade yemfa ho ne political color so hu wo ye MPP wo ye NDC no nya yasem ye ka asem no se de yete no a yemfa ho wo pa na wafa wamfa so a Ghana for na at the end of the day wo mo ankasa be kire se politics no de akoye kukurumuti power wo mo abe kire de ombeye na enti bribia ye hyeda eyi mpanimfu asotire wo no ma ekoso a enye se wo betu ho anamon na amanyofo sanse wono abribia no omu ensua de mfiri ne atwa mu ni de ekoso wonti no tintintintin oye ya na abesom ne adi watem sanse ensua de entie ne ate na ade bi ekoso enra ensem bi pie na me de abantie we yasem no maka no wakasafidie so in fact bear some 3 weeks ago belimi fan say month ni makasa abrantie we hu asem ewo DVLA ho ebra onesa endorsement for the issue by me catch us say mahwe sa DVLA boss eye Julius Neequaye Kotey mahwe na namotua DVLA ho ahu say sa abantie we ono ne ye obi a se mahama anhwe yi a eno ma be fefra no agu nanimu ase wo na mamuom no sa bantie we eka ho. I said it on this same platform makabebere but politicians no de ekoba ne say ya because of say ene ya mix performance with publicity entino se nipa ni nya so camera sini so se onam na social media camera sini so no okoba ne etwa no a ena e kire se oye adwuma ene pane akura to fam no de nan bo pane de camera sisu ne atwa ne de abeto oye adwuma but the actual work e de ahye nipa nensa no obehu na oye no ma troka na hyase na no ma ye troka nso ye nka performance enya publicity and the Mahama I was sit this time and a legacy year no enya publicity asem bene akoye bibi se ye nenam na camera di achi a ase ye se ye adwuma edi abantie we wo behwe no nam na camera si ni so but se we leader camera si wo so na a lot of controversy is surround the office na wukura no a na se wo leadership no afeli dada baby a wote a wo ye pani wa adwuma ni mu no se bribia wo ye ade na ekofa nsem ba wo ye ade na nipa ka ho asem na ye ade a manfo atwi sebe se wo hwe anam de a na ye ka ho nsem bo wachi a abribia age se ye ka ene wa be yi wo ano because the other buy na nka se mu nkyeremu no entwaso enkoyie no je se nipa bo wachi ansa na wasa be ma mu nkyeremu no kura de beba no wo behwe na ase de wo be daada akra no na kire wo se wankasa as a leader no wa faili yetia na DVLA endorsement contract ho asem baaye emma companies ebebura aduanan yo se senya wo mo enyuma no wo mo na number plate wo mo emboss ni ade Neequaye Kotey eka say contract bi a MPP abai ko wo masan ato wo de ama papa ba ko bi eye wonder asibre bi ne company it won't nya ho hwe nti sa companies na aka no a wono mo so ye endorsement no sa adwuma no wo nya bi nye etwode ni nyina ema nipa ba ko emo wo ye ho press conference ka safa ho ne ade ma ye kura ka se na keji ya ne NLA contract kura no mampani John Dramani ma hwe no a ebe ha dwene no o kan so wo review enti so abeto contract na ebe ma nipa be yem pempem no aduane abo mu a ade na wo hwe ne review contract no the companies ni nyina wo mu akokra mfidi aba wo be ye nyina enye useless ni obaba yi ano ne se ya sign contract ne dadanti onye ho hwe ama sabre asem no endorsement company no kura etwe manso ewo ho eno nkoda osade betu dwa se wo license wo car na wo register wo car na endru the year 2023 and 2024 no etu omo 1990s ni ade ni nyina wo register wo car fabra DVLA na beye verification ownership ne de be ne mehwe nkratam edicars ni nyina emsalai ewo DVLA offices eme nyina e kasa wo ha ema me kura me yehu dede aba adabraka ti cars ye wo Ghana ha nyina obi antuni de trotro drivers private cars ni nyina ye mesala wo DVLA na da ban ne bewie obi abewie ne de no wako eno ye boni ja wo ho a enenes I say U10 bi aba eno ye nte ho asem biem kyese wo be ka asem wei no de wei abetum na enra bra Facebook ni enti a me ka se abantie wei ni dwumadi a wodi no begu mampani animu ase no enra o se Foreign Affairs Ministry ama ni approval so onfa DVLA staff bi enko USA Canada UK Netherlands Germany na omunko register Ghana adihye bi ewo ho na omun renew omun license mo bra Facebook insha 104.5 ene da ho no na semu a wakani DVLA boss na ebra Joy News edi asemu betu dwa no papa wei ese Joy News for ya atrofo na enye saa no kae ene o mabesesa na no asem atro no se de ente science enra o ma indications wo ba bekirem na wa bekirem je fa ne nkirem no to ho ma me ene me kire wudi enti a Julius Neequaye Kotey oya dishonest on kanokre na on sem fata se woto aso as DVLA boss me kire wo ha sei ni statement ni anopa ya no de bae o say it has come to the attention of management of the Driver and Vehicle Licensing Authority misleading news headlines over the extended services of DVLA to selected foreign countries. For clarity, the DVLA, through an arrangement with the Foreign Affairs Ministry, bra Facebook never heard. For clarity, the DVLA, through an arrangement with the Foreign Affairs Ministry, has agreed to collaborate with Ghana's embassy across the globe to provide selected services, including international driver's permit and driver's license renewal to qualified Ghanaian citizens domiciled in other countries. I know so person other countries. Fine. The pilot phase will be undertaken in the United States of America, Canada, Germany, the Netherlands, and the High Commission of the United Kingdom. Or say, as part of the implementation plan, the DVLA will provide training to embassy staff to do verification of documents and forward same to DVLA for processing. Once the processing is done, the authority will then return the processed document to the various embassies for pickup by the applicants. This operation does not in any way mean that the DVLA will post its domestic staff to work at embassies in the aforementioned countries as the news headline source to portray. Tie, na sem nyina said ye ba bontin se wono so wode ne staff Eko USA, Canada, Netherlands, ne ye keka ho no. Amoma akọ renew nkrofo license amom no. O se enye no pre na o kire mu se omo ne Ghana embassies na wo saa aman no so no. Ebeto kese na wo maboa age Ghana fo ade hye wo ho no. Wo license document ni ade asende wo DVLA fo no ewa ha. Na wono mo aye process ne sa the document no afọwede akoma wo no Ghana de hye no age ne ho. Enti enye so wo de ne staff free Ghana ha akọ US ne Netherlands ne Canada ne de woka no but abusia me se Neequaye Kotey Julius on kanokre Julius Neequaye Kotey on kanokre he is very dishonest wajna wow staff for him sure wo makasa asem we ya kire wo and today you are bringing a statement out just to portray say Joy News in kanokre me wa Neequaye Kotey wona won kanokre and I will prove to you here ebusia yentie Neequaye Kotey asem ne yentie ne ne ebra no woka no na ofin say o ka wa bra obia se enti bi no wa ye ne kukulukulu what interest does he have tie no ebra woka sa asem we Ghana ha no wo de bia na meka se tie no
in 5 countries outside. Some of you, the DVLA staff, you are traveling overseas to go and provide services in 5 countries outside. The US, Canada, Netherlands, UK, and Germany. And I see you as money. I will add you, don't worry. So that is the service we are going to provide. We've gotten approval by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and this is what we are going to do for our Ghanaians staying abroad. They don't need to come down to come and renew their 1-year license which has expired. They will be there and we'll be doing it for them. We provide all licensing issues over there for them without vehicle registration.
We Neequaye Kotey ya DVLA boss. Bra Facebook in Nhyira 104.5. Papa yi a woda ho yi. Wono a na ekasa yi. Ene oso wankasa o ka brofo. Na semu a o ka ne se o the staff no be kotie biem.
You are traveling overseas. Some of you DVLA staff, you are traveling overseas to go provide services in 5 countries outside the US, Canada, Netherlands, UK, and Germany. And I see you are smiling. I will add you, don't worry. So that is the service we are going to provide. We've gotten.
You even confirmed and you even buttressed the point to say one of your staff or three, and you said so be adding. I will add you to it. If you would never share document now, be posting one. I'm asking you a question. So I say, and yes, any part be free Ghana how physically. And the old statement had the ban no pay no. So our staff now can say you are smiling. I will add you no. Would never share envelope nim document mu post you. Would never share envelope no one seal na. Menyasa. I add any so dishonest. As a leader, what can some be a man of your words? Wana waka yanyam kwada wo kurumu awo no wabese sanwa no making it look as if just obi na atwa ntro e de ato so. Leadership means ownership, not retreat and deception and lies. Julius Neequaye Kotey, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency Medical Catcher, one of the people on gu edim ase e wo legacy term yi e Julius Neequaye Kotey. If you are not careful, because DVLA hono e hwa tro sa DVLA dwumaku na si hono e hwa tro papa enti omu wo character bi te se Neequaye Kotey omu wa legacy no. That's my words for you.
Oh yeah, come on.
Nhyira
104.5
and now who you want 7